Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo on Tuesday, November 19, 2024, swore in Dr. Siri Adams Oshiomhole as the new Commissioner for Health for the state.
I, Cyril Adams Oshiomhole, do solemnly swear, affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as Commissioner in Edo State, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the integrity, solidarity, the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will not allow my personal preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will abide by the code of conduct contained in the 5th schedule to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that in all circumstances I will do to all or ill will, that I will not directly or in my consideration or become known to me as a commissioner of my duties as commissioner, and that I will be of the people of Nigeria. So help me God.
The ceremony shele for the Executive Council Chamber for Government House, Benin City. Omunge presses wait and that for the swearing-in ceremony now. Edo Deputy Governor Honorable Denis Idausa, Secretary to the State Government Alhaji Musa Ihilo, Chief of Staff Gani Audu, Head of Service Dr. Anthony Okpebholo Esquire, and other baby government people them. Governor Okpebholo Konya, the new commissioner, say he go face many challenges, but he must prepare himself to tackle all the challenges. He come also advise him to work hard for the health ministry so that the people go see the work when they do.
You need to know that there's challenge ahead of you. You have to work hard to see that we move the Ministry of Health forward. Your true hard work will make you visible before the public.
Dr. Siri Adams Oshiomhole, the new Commissioner for Health, talk say he go serve Edo people well as he promised to carry out in work according to the law where they govern with country Niger, and say he go make sure say everything wey concern health for Edo State go better under in watch.
Thank you for this wonderful and rare privilege you've given to me and finding me worthy to come and serve my people. I promise to be loyal and to discharge my duties to the best of my ability with my strength and all the knowledge I've had and experiences I've had. I promise to do my best and make sure that I do everything according to law, and everything that needs to be done must be done at the right time. And I believe with the experience of His Excellency and with God, we conquer these states, and with God, we will deliver our mandate in Jesus' name.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not the take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.